Leos, this reading might just change everything about your life. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the Gypsy Moon Child, and I'm going to be doing a timeless reading for all the Leos out there, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. So, timeless reading means that whenever you see it, the message is for you. There's no timeline attached to it. So, without any further ado, let's get started. I've already shuffled my cards, and I'm going to be pulling two cards from the Rider Waite deck and one card from the Kipper deck for all the Leos out there. Let's see what do we have in store for all the Leos. Okay. So, Leos, you came yourself in your reading, Queen of Wands and the Knight of Wands, Sagittarius. So, you could be dealing with another Leo or Sagittarius or someone who might have both of these signs like very prominent in the chart. And with the Kipper deck, we got the concern card. Okay. So, I feel that Leos, you're dealing with someone who likes you, but they have a very on and off energy in your life. They keep coming to you and then they keep running from you. They have a very hot and cold behavior towards you. Sometimes they ghost you and sometimes they're all lovey-dovey about you. But you really love this person, you're all about this person, you really like them. For sure, there's a lot of magnetic pull towards each other. There's a lot of fiery energy. There's a lot of attraction that I can see between you both. But it's very on and off. You guys, one day you guys are together, and on the other day, they just ghost you. So it's like that kind of an energy. And this is right now on your mind. This is your major concern right now. And you're just like, um, you look very good in this relationship. I feel that you're very mature, you look very good, you dress up nicely for this person, and you're very mature, you deal with all the relationship stuff by yourself, while this person has very little to no contribution at all. For a lot of you, I feel this person only has like interest in physical aspects of a relationship. They have nothing to do with your emotions or your feelings or the commitment and all of that sorts, which is a major concern. So you need to really talk to this person about this whole situation and where are you both. I feel you already feel that this person is not giving enough in this relationship, but somehow you're just thinking about it but not really talking to this person about it, that where are you in this relationship. You are completely there but this person is not. So you really need to have that conversation with this person. Or this could be you as well, Leos, like you are not serious for someone who is all about you. So this is also a concern. This is also a concern, Leos. The same thing you have to do. You need to step up and match their level of the game. When it comes to your career, there's no stability. I feel that you join some sort of, you work for someone and then you leave it. You're just switching jobs or you're switching career paths altogether. So, and this is all very concerning for you and your family members or your loved ones, that you're not really focused on one thing and you're just going here and there for like everything in your life. Like in your career, you're just going here and there. There's no stability, there's no naughty. What are you doing? Just go. There's no stability there. Look who showed up in your reading, Leo. My doggo. There's no stability in your career, Leos, and this is a concern for a lot of people in your life, that you're not stable in your career. But this all of this is happening because you are really, really passionate about something. You want to do something in your life and you're really passionate about it. You're not following your passion, and this is why you're lacking stability in your career. When it comes to following your passion, you're very concerned about the growth. Like, how will you go about it? How will you grow in this whole career thing? How will you grow in this business or whatever you're planning to do? So do not worry, just take that action. You're looking good when you follow your passion. So just take that leap of faith, do that thing that you want, and just be very consistent. So when it comes to your career, I feel you're lacking consistency. The thing you're very there's something you're very passionate about. You want to work in that field, or you want to like start a new business, whatever, but you're not consistent about it. You're not putting all your efforts into it. One day you're all about it and the other day you're just too lazy to work about it, to work on it. And this is like a major concern right now in your life, because there's no stability, there's no consistency from your end. That is why your career is not really blooming. So you need to focus, you need to put in the efforts. If you're lacking consistency in your career or your relationship, you need to really put in efforts. You need to show that you're passionate about it. You need to work, you need to I feel there's also some sort of creative boost that you need. So go out in the nature, connect with nature. You will get that creativity boost. Maybe your sacral chakra is a little blocked right now, so you need to do some healing towards it. You can do some meditations to open up your chakras, and you can also go out in nature, and that's when I feel your creative block will fade away and you will start to put in your efforts. You'll be consistent, be it in your relationship or your career. So this was it for Leo. Share this video with all the Leo people you know. I hope it resonates. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love and light.